No, don't do this. Select the object layer and make a copy of it. You have to press Alt and press the right key of the mouse and drag up and click the quick selection tool. Select the shirt, but if you notice some of the hair are also in the selection. To remove this area from selection, I will press Alt. You will see the plus sign in the circle converted into subtract sign. And by clicking the wrong selection area, it will subtract it. Now I think we are done with the selection. Then press Ctrl plus J to make a new layer of selection. Make sure the new selection layer will be above from the actual image. Now grab your design you want to put on the shirt. It should be the above from the selection tool. Now press Alt and click in the middle of the layer for clipping. Now you can see the design is just on the shirt but not looking natural. We will multiply it and lower the opacity to make it look real. As you can see, it almost fits. Let me zoom in for you. But if you want to change the design now, let's choose this one. Just copy the image, press Ctrl V to paste it, and again repeat the process. Press Alt and click. Adjust it accordingly. Add multiply. Let's put a Wonder Woman in the shirt. Just copy and paste the image. You don't need to download the images every time. Adjust it and multiply. Lower the opacity. And you are done. I hope by watching this video you can easily change the design of the shirts. For more, subscribe this channel. Thank you.